Vande Mataram friends, welcome to 11th standard and 12th standard of English grammar, English medium standard. Today we are going to learn degree of comparisons. So my dear friends, all of you are very well aware about that degree. So how many degrees are there? There are 3 degrees: positive degree, comparative degree and superlative degree, and you already learned in your 10th standard. So let's start the topic now. Degree of comparisons. There are 3 type of degrees: positive degree, comparative degree and superlative degree. So dear friends, when we use positive degree, at that time there are 2 kind of sentence. If the sentence is about affirmative, at that time we use as, adjective as tall as thin as big as. Okay, and suppose we make negative sentence, so is not so big as, is not so tall as, is not so thin as. Okay, as and suppose we use negative sentence, that means so as not so as not so as. In comparative degree we use er or more than, big bigger than, tall taller than, thin thinner than. And suppose beautiful, so more beautiful than, industrious more industrious than, handsome more handsome than. Superlative degree, the est and the most, big the biggest, tall the tallest, okay, thin the thinnest. And suppose most, so beautiful the most beautiful, industrious the most industrious, handsome the most handsome. So generally in comparative degree we use er or er than, more than. All of you know that. Superlative degree we use est and most. So my dear friends, once again we revise from the beginning that I have written here the table that how to make adjective of positive degree, comparative degree and superlative degree. Here another thing is that positive degree, comparative degree and superlative degree. So my dear friends, the first rule is that suppose hot, then we use here er, hotter, and in superlative degree est, hottest, hot, hotter, hottest. Now my dear friend, you can see that is the consonant, and before consonant the vowel is there. That means vowel plus consonant equal to double consonant, vowel plus consonant into double consonant. Hot, so hotter, hottest, big, bigger and biggest. You can see that vowel plus consonant into double consonant. Thin, thinner and thinnest. In comparative degree we use er at the end of the word, and in superlative degree we use est. So hot, hotter, hottest, big, bigger, biggest, thin, thinner, thinnest. Clear? Now second one, wise, brave and fine. Now my dear friends, you can see that in adjective the last word of the adjective is e, and we use here er or est, but already e is given, so we cannot write wiser, wiser, but we directly use only r, and in superlative degree we use est. Wise, wiser, wisest, brave, braver, bravest, fine, finer, finest. That is the second rule. Okay, the first, hot, hotter, hottest, big, bigger, biggest, thin, thinner, thinnest, wise, wiser, wisest, brave, braver, bravest, fine, finer, finest. Now let's see the third one. Here you can see that beautiful, excellent, handsome and important. Now the pronouns more than, if the pronouns more than 2 or 3, at that time we use here more in comparative degree and most in superlative degree. Let's see, hot, big, thin, wiser, wiser, 2.5, brave, 2.5, fine, 2.5. But let's see, beautiful, more than 3. We pronounce more than 3. At that time we use more. Beautiful. So more beautiful, most beautiful. Excellent, more excellent, most excellent. Handsome, more handsome, most handsome. Important, more important and most important. Now you get the idea that when we use more or er and when we use est or most. Okay, beautiful, more beautiful, most beautiful. Excellent, more excellent, most excellent. Handsome, more handsome, most handsome. Important, more important, most important. Now next, now my dear friend, you can see that in adjective the last word of the adjective is given y. When the y is given, at that time you have to use I instead of y, and the same rules, er mean y, so I er, y I er, y I er, y I er. The same thing in superlative degree, IEST, IEST, IEST and IEST. So you have to remove y and write it down I instead of y. So wealthy, wealthier, wealthiest. Heavy, heavier, heaviest. Merry, merrier, merriest. Happy, happier, happiest. Okay, so suppose y is given, then you remove y's and write it down there I, and the rules of comparative er, I er, and in superlative degree I est. Now next, er or est. Great, greater, greatest. Kind, kinder, kindest, kindest. Bold, bolder, boldest. Small, smaller, smallest. Once again, great, greater, greatest. Kind, kinder, kindest. Bold, bolder, boldest. Small, smaller, smallest. Okay, now next rules. This is the very important adjectives, because that is irregular adjectives we can see here. For example, in positive degree, comparative, superlative degree, good, better, best, well, better, best. Okay, once again, good, better, best, well, better, best, bad, worse, worst, evil, worse, worst, ill, worse, worst. Okay, next, little, less, least, little, lesser, least. You can use either one of them, little, less, least, little, lesser, least. Many, more, most. Much, more, most. Many, more, most. Much, more, most. Let, later, latest. Old, older, oldest. Old, elder, eldest. Now you know that when we use older or when we use elder, when describe about the thing, at that time we use older, and suppose the description is about person, then at that time elder and eldest. So old, older, oldest. Old, elder, eldest. Far, farther, farthest. In, inner, innermost या inmost. Up, upper, uppermost या upmost. Out, outer, outermost या utmost. Full, further, furthest. So my dear friends, when we use adjective of possessive degree, comparative degree and superlative degree, so it is necessary to use adjective in that sentence. So don't cram it, you try to remember the things. So once again we revise fast. Hot, hotter, hottest. Big, bigger, biggest. Speak with me. Hot, hotter, hottest. Big, bigger, biggest. Thin, thinner, thinnest. Speak with me. Wise, wiser, wisest. Wise, wiser, wisest. Brave, braver, bravest. Brave, braver, bravest. Fine, finer, finest. Fine, finer, finest. Beautiful, more beautiful, most beautiful. Beautiful, more beautiful, most beautiful. Excellent, more excellent, most excellent. Excellent, more excellent, most excellent. Handsome, more handsome, most handsome. Handsome, more handsome, most handsome. Important, more important, most important. Important, more important, most important. Wealthy, wealthier, wealthiest. Wealthy, wealthier, wealthiest. Heavy, heavier, heaviest. Heavy, heavier, heaviest. Marry, merrier, merriest. Marry, merrier, merriest. Happy, happier, happiest. Happy, happier, happiest. Great, greater, greatest. Great, greater, greatest. Kind, kinder, kindest. Kind, kinder, kindest. Bold, bolder, boldest. Very good. Bold, bolder, boldest. Small, smaller, smallest. Small, smaller, smallest. Good, better, best. Good, better, best. Well, better, best. Well, better, best. Bad, worse, worst. Bad, worse, worst. Evil, worse, worst. Ill, worse, worst. Little, less, least. Little, less, least. Yeah, little, lesser, least. Little, lesser, least. Many, more, most. Many, more, most. Yeah, much, more, most. Much, more, most. Late, later, latest. Late, later, latest. Old, older, oldest. Old, older, oldest. Old, elder, eldest. Old, elder, eldest. Far, farther, furthest. In, inner, innermost. In, inner, innermost. Yeah, in, inner, inmost. In, inner, inmost. Up, upper, uppermost. Up, upper, uppermost. Up, upper, uppermost. Out, outer, outermost. Out, outer, outermost. Yeah, out, outer, utmost. For, further, furthest. For, further, furthest. So within 5 minutes you got the idea that when we use the adjective of comparative degree, superlative degree and positive degree. So my dear friends, you just write it down in your notebook completely. Yeah, you can take screenshot also.